Well, here's a really cool game on the Apple II. It's called Outpost. It's basically the arcade game Space Zap with a little bit of a twist. It's actually kind of fun. It's done by Serious Software, programmer Mr. Tom McWilliams, back in the early 80s. It's actually a pretty cool game. What's different about this game than Space Zap is this gives you shield control as well, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead, give the game a run, and see how well, or in my case, how badly I do. Player 1. Alright, zap, zap. Starts off easy. So I got my shield control. I control where I put my shields to help protect my base. First level's pretty easy. It lulls you into a false sense of security. Where you guys at? There we go. Gotcha. Woo. Ships are different colors now, so I'm at level 2. Come on out. Gotcha. Zap. Oh, shoot. Pay attention. I like how the base is colored. It's pretty cool. Reminds me a little bit of the Ballyasarcade version, Space Fortress. I love that game on the Ballyasarcade. I'm actually pretty good at it. This isn't too bad for the Apple II. This is kind of cool. Increase the intensity. Oh, I missed it. Oh, that's not good. Oh, he shot me in the corner. Rats. Oh! Oh, he got one of my guns. Put my shield up right there. I can't shoot that direction. Oh, no! Well, 2 of my guns are gone. So I gotta manipulate my shields and make sure they don't get my side guns. Oh, no. Put the shield back up. Oh, no, no. Oh! Ow! Ooh, that's a cool explosion. Okay, here we go. Player 1. Didn't do too well. Oh! Gotta be quick. Get that shot off, you're dead. Oh, I'm out of shots. I'm out of shots. Oh no! Oh! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, I can't believe I made it to the next level. It's a minor miracle. Oh, oh no! Overheating my lasers. Oh man, come on! Ooh! Gotta get him this time. Oh, I can't believe I missed them again. There we go. Oh, jeez. Missed me. Oh, but you got me. It's my last guy. Player 1. Level 5. Yeah, you gotta watch your heat gauge over there. If you shoot too many times, your cannon overheats and you can't shoot anymore. Ooh, that was close. Get in the zone. Just try to anticipate when they're going to pop out. Oh, I missed him again. Oh, come on. It's gonna take me out. There we go. Ooh, the blue ships. Now we get really crazy. Oh no. Oh. Oh, I can't shoot that way. Ah. I got to level 6. High score. 6,971 points. That's pretty cool. Well, that's Outpost. Another really cool arcade-type game on the Apple II. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.